still stand up. Like, woo, scream.
Okay, I want to go back over there.
Yeah, so Irma's giant head is not joining us outside of this little area.
I went for a little bit over there and then I couldn't swim back and I started freaking out. Because it pulls you, it pulls you.
It does pull you, there's a current.
I'm getting closer to the waterfall. Right there. Pretty close.
Yeah.
I'm doing it. I am doing this.
Yeah.
Waterfall right there.
Do you see it?
Can I let it go?
Let what go? Yourself?
Yeah. I'm holding on to this rock. Holding on to this rock now. Oh goodness. I'm holding on here. We made it, we're here. Oh goodness, I'm gonna jump this way.
Let's go together.
Let's go together. Oh goodness. Are you okay? I can't do anything now.
Alright, let's jump out of a plane then.
What? This is a lot closer than before.